In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and connect X, formerly known as Twitter API, with N8n. Whether you're just starting with N8n or you need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. And the best part is, it all happens without a single line of code. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the N8n homepage. N8n is a powerful platform that allows you to automate workflows using an intuitive and visual approach. It's perfect for integrating different services, and today we're focusing on connecting it with X's API. Once you're on their homepage, sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up, but make sure to get that out of the way before we begin, because this tutorial assumes you're logged in and ready to go. Now that you're signed in, navigate to the N8n dashboard. This is the heart of your automation projects. It's where all the magic happens. From here, you'll want to create a new workflow. Look for the option to create a workflow and click on it. This sets up a new canvas where you can build and customize your automation. Next, you'll see an option to add nodes. In the world of N8n, nodes are individual tasks or processes that you link together to form your complete workflow. Click on Add Nodes to bring up a list of potential services and functions you can include. In the search bar, type in Twitter. Even though it's now called X, you should search using the name Twitter, since many integrations still recognize it by this name. Once you find Twitter, click on X, formerly Twitter, to add that node to your workflow. You're almost there. You've just included Twitter functionality into your automation. This integration will allow you to interact with the X API, pulling in data or sending out tweets, depending on what your workflow requires. At this point, you can customize how the Twitter node interacts with the rest of your workflow. You might set it up to trigger actions based on tweets mentioning your account, or to send updates about your workflow's performance. The flexibility here is quite remarkable, letting you tailor the integration to fit your specific needs perfectly. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and connected the X API with N8n. By using this process, you can take advantage of seamless automation without writing a single line of code. Feel free to explore further and build more complex workflows that can simplify your tasks and improve your productivity. Remember, the possibilities are endless, and N8n provides the tools to make them a reality. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!